And to reiterate, LA County did set a new record for its daily number of cases, more than 6,000 today. Now, keep in mind, 1,500 of those are a backlog from the weekend. But even so, the 5-day average is now high enough to potentially trigger that new stay-at-home order. The LA County Board of Supervisors will meet with the health department tomorrow to discuss that and the decision over the weekend to shut down outdoor dining for 3 weeks, as Conan mentioned, that starts this Wednesday night. Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer asked everyone today to stay home for Thanksgiving and to celebrate only with people living in your household, even if you plan to stay outside. Now, while the surge in cases is unsettling, we are learning a third vaccine candidate is showing promising results. This as Pfizer's vaccine could be reaching hospitals with ultra-low temperature storage by next month, and one of them is Cedar Sinai. NBC4's Patrick Healy has the latest.
We have big challenges coming down the road, and the only way we can do this is together.
Jeffrey Smith, MD, and Chief Operating Officer for Cedar Sinai Medical Center, dealing with the growing surge in COVID patients, even while preparing for arrival of the first shipment of COVID vaccine.
Probably mid-December that we will receive it and then being able to administer it at the direction of the health department.
Cedar Sinai among LA County's 7 pre-position sites. Not all other hospitals yet have the ultra-low temperature storage, 70 degrees below, required for the Pfizer vaccine, which now awaits FDA emergency use authorization. Dr. Smith said Pfizer had to develop a special multi-layer shipping system for its vaccine with inner containers that he said look like pizza boxes.
A block of dry ice that sits on top, and then an electronic device that monitors the location of that shipment as well as monitors the continuous temperature.
Officials expect the first doses will be dedicated for frontline healthcare providers.
We hope to be a resource to the community until the vaccine is more readily available.
Dr. Smith said the number of COVID patients at Cedars now is approaching that during the summer surge. Medical staff gearing up. The coming weeks crucial.
We're going to be facing need to vaccinate people, which requires staff at the same time that we're going to be dealing with a surge of hospitalized patients. And so that will stretch our need for nurses and other healthcare providers even more.
So healthcare workers should begin getting vaccinated next month, then high risk. But for the general population, Governor Newsom today said perhaps not till close to spring. Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.